Exciting news coming from Dubai. Dubai has recently announced several new economic initiatives aimed at boosting growth and attracting international investment. First up, Dubai has expanded its Golden Visa program, making it easier for investors, entrepreneurs, and skilled professionals to gain long-term residency. This is part of Dubai's effort to attract top talent and boost economic growth. Dubai is leading the way in sustainable innovation. Next, the World Expo 2024 is coming to Dubai. This event will bring together millions of visitors and focus on sustainability and innovation. It's going to be a major event for cultural exchange and global collaboration. When are you planning to visit Dubai? Follow us and stay ahead of upcoming news.